Today I'm going to tell you a quick little story about how I almost got scammed on a car. I went to look at a used pickup truck, a little GMC Sonoma, and that price was really good. And I thought, wow, finally I get somebody who's advertising a truck that I like, that is at a price that I like, because I'm really picky on my price, because to me it's all about the deal, not so much about the vehicle. I'll switch vehicles, it's not a big deal. I went and looked at this vehicle, did a test drive, checked out all kinds of stuff on it, got a crawl underneath, looking for rust, and I checked it all out, and I wanted to make sure that air conditioner worked. I turned it on, yeah, all right, this is great. You know, I was just about to buy it and make my offer, and it occurred to me, you know what? Maybe I should check the heater. Most people don't check the heater when you're buying something in the dead of summer. You want to make sure the air conditioner works, right? Well, the heater didn't work. The blower motor blowed. I mean, I was getting nice cool air, and you turn it over to heat side and it still blew, but there wasn't the least little bit of heat coming out. And the motor was completely warmed up. I had just driven it 5 miles or so. So I'm thinking, what's going on here? So I popped open the hood and I reached back to the heater hoses that were going up to the firewall, and there were 2 of them. One goes in and the other comes out. So I grabbed both hoses. There was one hose that was hot and one hose that was cold. So that confirmed it to me that this heater core was completely plugged up, and it would cost a lot of money just to fix that. So I made the guy a much lower offer than what I anticipated. And he says, why? My price was right. I said, well, it was right until I figured out it needed a heater core. You know how much it's going to cost to get a heater core replaced? On that particular model, it was over $800. In some cars, it's even more than that. Depends. In the newer cars, if they get plugged up, you have to tear the dash completely apart, and that can cost you $1,000 or more. So make sure you check everything when you're buying a used car.